Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tosh. If you are new here, it is 12:37 in the afternoon. It's actually May 1st, which is crazy. It's a brand new month. We're practically halfway through the year, which is wild. I'll go back to Oberlin at the end of the month, hopefully, which I'm pretty excited for. We got Mother's Day coming up, a few birthdays. Got to redo my hair this month. A lot of planning and preparation for school and all that good stuff. So I feel like it's going to be a busy month, hopefully, but also a good month. Hopefully your girl will be fully vaccinated in a few more days or in about a week. So that's also exciting. It's currently in the library, as I said, so I'm whispering. Thankfully there's no one like near me. Actually I want to do a lot of like organizing this weekend, and I also want to go to like the beach tomorrow. It's going to be really nice out, and it's currently 65 degrees outside today. But I want to firstly upload 2 whole videos today while I'm here, which could take like 4 hours, but it's fine. It uploads pretty quickly. So we have to do that first, and then we're going to do some planning and organizing for the weekend and just in general. I need to kind of figure out the stuff that I need to get or buy before school. Like I need to buy braiding hair, for example, and then just kind of create a budget from there. So yeah, it's a brand new month, so I gotta do some organizing, some planning, some budgeting, all that good stuff. So that's what I'm about to do right now. But first, let's get these videos posted. By the way, I freaking love my local library. It's so nice and it's so quiet. Of course it's a library, but I've been to a few libraries that aren't the quietest, if we're being honest. No shade, but it just isn't. But yeah, I love this library, and it's so pretty, and it has these gigantic windows, which I absolutely adore. So yeah, let me show y'all actually. Look how pretty. All right, y'all, so I made it back home for a little bit. It's like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Oh, wait a second. I got a salad that I'm about to eat real quick for lunch. This is what we're working with. Try it together because we like trying stuff together around here. This is pretty liquidy. Okay, besties, so I figured I would come and talk for a little bit because I feel like y'all have been watching me clean for the longest, and I'm not sure how much of the cleaning footage we're going to keep in, but I got like 20 minutes worth of footage, which I know is going to be like a montage, but still. Look at my flowers. So the white ones with like the pink and blue tips, these are the ones I got like a few days before Easter, so I think they were Easter themed flowers, but they're dead now. I am going to take these ones out because I also have some flowers that I got like a week later that still look like they're doing really well. Also, flowers don't smell good. Like, why in movies they made us believe that flowers like smell really good? Like, they don't. Like, they smell like the outside, if we're being honest, but like freshness, and even then that's kind of a reach. But yeah, we gotta get rid of the ones that are dead. I feel so bad to just like throw them away. I should get some more fresh flowers. I wanted to keep like fresh flowers in my room. I may get some today. We'll see. I don't even know if we're leaving the house today. I think it's like 1:15, so we're not doing terrible on time. Some are still alive though, so we're not gonna take them all out. This is what we're left with. I mean, not terrible. We'll just leave these ones for now. Okay, so I'm currently at either CVS or Walgreens. I always forget. About to print out these photos for the Mother's Day album that I want to make. I'm gonna print them from my phone first. I have all these pictures of the girls in here. Okay, so we're gonna print out a few. Let's do one of those. One of those. Do that one. Sailboat. I see the waves. They're so big. Y'all, this looks so good. Alright y'all, so we have made it to the end of this vlog. I am back home. As you can see, I had a really nice time. I went to the beach, got some ice cream, and by the way, the ice cream place was really dope. It's called Remix Ice Cream and Cereal Bar. 10 out of 10, would definitely recommend. It's like a place I've never been to before, to be honest. I feel like it puts me in the mind of like a Mitchell's ice cream, but like the toppings are cereal toppings, so like Captain Crunch, Fruit Loops, stuff like that. But it was really good, so I'm definitely recommend if you're in the Cleveland area. But yeah, that is the end of this vlog. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed, and I will see y'all in the next vlog. Bye.